Oi, world travelers, you know Brazil, right? Land of samba, soccer, and sun? Well, let me introduce you to a hidden gem, Recife, in the sun-kissed state of Pernambuco. Let's dive into some fascinating facts about this vibrant city. First, did you know Recife is known as the Venice of Brazil? Thanks to its numerous rivers and bridges, it's a water lover's paradise. Second, it's home to frevo, a unique dance style that's sure to get your feet moving. And third, every year, Recife hosts one of Brazil's most colorful carnivals, a true spectacle of music and dance. Now, let's switch gears to the weird and wonderful. Recife is home to a museum dedicated solely to sugar. Sweet, right? Then there's the city's obsession with giant dolls, which make an appearance every carnival. And finally, Recife's coastline is known for shark attacks. Thrilling, isn't it? Oh, and one more thing, this city is teeming with life, housing almost 2 million people. So if you've got a taste for the intriguing and the unusual, Recife is your next stop. And for more amazing insights, don't forget to follow me at amr.gurgels on Instagram. Ciao for now.